Hello there guys, Looping Oracle here, back to you with a Warship video. So this is my third Warship video, and guys, after unlocking the 4th tier, I reached gold 19. I'm very close to diamond. So let me show you my rank here. I am I'm sitting at rank 100. So let's jump into some attacks. So I'm using two bots of heavy tool scorchers, paired with shock knuckles and riflemans. So let's go. Okay, so where should I attack from? My riflemen are getting fried. My riflemen are getting fried, guys. But we can still do this thing. I have my bullet alive. I have bullet alive. I have two of my scorchers alive. And yes, we can do this. Boom, we did it. That was a rough attack though. Yes! 2 minutes 34 seconds. First victory, guys. First victory. So guys, let me show you my tech tree after the 4th tier. So after the 4th tier, I went from the upper node, got Sky Shield. Then I unlocked shock launchers. Then I maxed out my scorchers. And now it has a lot of health. Then I went to get this extra gunboat energy, and now I'm focusing on the extra boom can, after which I'll get the rocket launcher. So it's going well. So let's drop into another attack. Scorchers are very useful, guys. Yeah, that's in a very awkward position. I mean, like, the boom cannon is in an awkward position. So wait, he has no shock launchers, right? Yeah, so I can easily put down scorchers right here. And yeah. Okay, so Yes, guys, we can do this. We can do this. Come on, my troops, get going. I have one Scorcher alive. Yes, opponent has retreated. That's it. Opponent always retreats. And we are getting a sure victory. Hey, boom cannon, stop attacking my Scorcher. You wanna see yourself go boom? Come on, Scorcher, aim. Yes! Wow, the Scorcher also went and the engine room also went. Wow, what a coincidence. Yay! So guys, I'm focusing on upgrading my barrage and I'm focusing on the extra boom cannon. Wow. Let me see what had he done. He uses pioneers riflemen, one with a heavy rocket choppers. The shock launchers were killing him. He had shock knuckles though. Wow. Boom. Boom. Wow. Boom. And he was dead. Couldn't do much. That was a very nice attack, guys. A very nice attack. I mean, sorry, did I say nice attack? It was a very low attack, to be honest. Now let's go to the next battle. Oh yeah. Oh come on. I hate this. So guys, I'm thinking of doing this. I'll go in from here. I'll destroy this thing right out here. And I'll go and easily get this base. So he has no so going well, attack going well. The attack is going very well, guys. The attack is going very well. Yeah, bullet goes for the right engine room. My Scorchers are doing also great. My Scorchers are doing great. Bullet goes for the perfect engine room. Bang! I think we did get a loss out there. I hope we don't. Yeah, he got me in 41 seconds. So let's go for the next attack. So guys, we're at the next attack. Wait, what? Kind of base design is this? Okay, fairly nice. But he placed his engine room very bad position, so the shock launch is gonna turn. Yes, guys, we can get this base. Boom! Shock it up, and this base goes down. This bullet on the right ear. Scorcher, don't go there. Yes, guys, 2 minutes 56 seconds, and this is a sheer victory for us. Our opponent has retreated. Yes. Wow. And also, we did get a 1 ER victory. Yes. That was very nice. Okay, so that's the last attack I'm gonna do. I lost all my riflemen. I lose riflemen more the scorches and heavies. Ooh, that's a nice one. Okay, so scorchers. Yes, attack's going well. The bullet on the rear. Constant ground energy support. We are going nuts on this base. Wait, what? I think I let my troops spread very much. That is the reason I lost. But I'm not gonna lose this attack. My scorcher is still alive. I have bullet. I have bullet. No problem. Might get a loss. Might get a loss. Might get a loss, guys. Might get a loss. I don't hope so. Yeah, we will get a definitely get a loss. This Chung Ching player defeated us. Yeah, it's a loss. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like and bye bye.